So the look for that I was going for today was something simple. I didn't feel like doing anything too dramatic. So basically what I'm doing is packing on orange on my lids, and then I'm going to go in with a yellow just to blend it out well. That's how simple I was trying to do this look. So what I decided to do here was just to pack some shimmer on it because I didn't like how it looked. It had looked so plain. So this look was so random as hell, but it came out to be pretty cute though. I'm adding this no pore oil to my skin. I got this from my BoxyCharm. This is my first time using it, so I can't really say how good the product is. But overall, it's kind of oily, but it's alright. I'm using my foundation Fenty Beauty in 440. I feel like this foundation, this color is a little dark on me. When I went to Sephora, they had like a totally different color. But then I don't think that Sephora foundation match seems legit because I'm scared to buy a new one. But probably one day I switch my foundation up. But until then, I won't. So I'm using this black liquid eyeliner that I got from Dollar Tree, y'all. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree because they eyeliners and they makeup. Some of their makeup products is legit. Okay. I added my lashes off camera, at least the other one, because it's so hard for me to put lashes on for some strange reason, and it takes me like forever to get it right. So I'm excited to use this new highlighter that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's like I think they said it's like a gel eyeliner. It's from Steve Laurent highlighter, jelly highlighter, and it seems like it's pretty cool though. I like how it looks, but I'm so used to using So as you can see, I tried using the powder brush, highlighters, but it seemed like it didn't. I felt like using liquid highlighters is so messy. I just stuck with using my finger instead. I had got this lip gloss from my BoxyCharm as well. At first I didn't like it, but this lip gloss is bomb, okay? It's DG Lemonade. The crazy thing is it don't even smell
Alright,
like
everyone,
lemonade,
so that pretty
I'm not
much
even sure
covers
why they named it
everything.
that,
Don't
but
forget to
I
like,
love this lip gloss.
subscribe.
And this hair, I also did a hair review on this hair. Well, this wig, so be on the lookout for that. And let me know what you guys think.